Astrocartography is the idea that a person's horoscope can actually shift and change depending on the geographic location that they're situated in. So, for example, if I live in Canada and all of a sudden I travel to India, how will that change my behavior and tendencies? And this is seen through the horoscope. And Deva.Guru offers a very unique and simple solution to help a person factor this in. So I have here the chart of the actress Drew Barrymore, and we can see that I have her birth information up here. Please note the date, the city, and the time. Now, if I were to shift around, let's say to Delhi, let's note that there's absolutely no change to her ascendant, which remains Taurus, with Ketu in the rising sign. Now, let's get her back to Culver City. Now, to do astrocartography, we have to keep this little button here right under the name and just above the location of birth. This is integral to the tool that we want to use for astrocartography. So I'm going to go ahead and click this, and you'll note that it's now highlighted in the color red. And I will shift her, say, to Delhi. Now we can see that the ascendant becomes Scorpio with Rahu in the rising sign. Similarly, if I were to move her to Toronto, we could now treat her horoscope as being Cancer rising. So this little button here becomes essentially the anchor point through which we can shift all the locations around. And you'll note that if I unclick it, it will revert back to the original birth location, which was Culver City, California. So in this way, you can take a horoscope and modify it with this tool selected to different locations, different latitudes and longitudes, and see how the horoscope, the ascendant will shift, and so all the houses will shift from that point. So this is a very useful tool for planning any type of um, long-term relocation, so moving um, from one part of the world to another, or taking a holiday at a different destination, and just seeing how the planets will influence you differently. Of course, we never shift or deviate from the original horoscope. That always remains our thumbprint into the world. However, this new horoscope will definitely shift things into certain directions, certain patterns based on our setting where we're situated. So hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments below. Thank you.